A powerful attorney from one of the most prestigious law firms in the country has been desperately searching for you for weeks. You are listed as the sole beneficiary of a substantial inheritance that must be claimed immediately, or it will be lost forever. This isn't a joke or a scam. This is a real legal matter that involves life, changing wealth waiting for you right now. The attorney handling this case has tried every traditional method to locate you. They've searched public records, hired private investigators, and even contacted family members you haven't spoken to in years. Time is running out because of strict legal deadlines that cannot be extended. If this inheritance isn't claimed within the next few days, the courts will declare it abandoned property and transfer everything to the state. Your name appears on official legal documents that only a select few people have access to. The fact that you're hearing this message today isn't coincidence. It's divine intervention guiding you to claim what rightfully belongs to you. This inheritance involves much more than money. There's a deeper spiritual significance that will change your entire life's direction once you understand the full truth about why you were chosen. Here's what the attorney has discovered that will shock you. A wealthy individual who passed away 3 months ago left very specific instructions in their will about you. Legal documents filed with the probate court show you as the primary beneficiary of their entire estate. This person had no known living family members, no children, and no spouse, making you their chosen heir for everything they owned. The deceased specifically requested that if something happened to them, their wealth should go to someone who would use it for a greater purpose. That person is you. Court records show this inheritance includes multiple properties, investment accounts that have been growing for decades, and personal assets worth more than most people see in a lifetime without proper legal claim within. The court-mandated time frame, everything goes directly to the government. We're not talking about a small amount here. This is genuinely life-changing wealth that could solve every financial problem you've ever had. The attorney is under tremendous pressure from the probate judge to locate you immediately because the legal deadline is approaching fast. Other interested parties are watching this case closely, hoping you won't be found in time so they can file claims of their own. Your window to secure this inheritance is closing rapidly, and once it's gone, this opportunity will never come again. Think about the unusual experiences you've been having lately. Have you been dreaming about receiving important news or legal documents? These weren't random dreams. They were spiritual preparation for what's about to happen. Those strange phone calls from unknown numbers that you didn't answer. The attorney's office has been trying to reach you through every number they could find. You've probably been feeling like something big is about to change in your life. That restless energy, that sense of anticipation you can't explain, these are signs that your subconscious mind already knows what's coming. Pay attention to the synchronicities involving legal themes, official buildings, or paperwork that have been appearing in your daily life. Have you been finding coins or small amounts of money in unexpected places recently? This is the universe's way of preparing you for the abundance that's about to flow into your life. Your intuition has been telling you that major change is coming, and now you know why. The way this message appeared to you today proves that divine guidance is working to connect you with your inheritance. Only the true beneficiary would be led to receive this information at exactly the right time. Your current financial struggles aren't punishment. They've been preparing you to appreciate and properly use the wealth that's waiting for you. The personal details in the legal documents would only make sense to the right person, and everything points to you being that individual. The full details of your inheritance will astound you. The estate includes 3 residential properties in highly desirable locations, a luxury home in an exclusive neighborhood, a vacation property near the coast, and a rental property that generates substantial monthly income. These properties alone are worth more than most people's entire net worth. Beyond real estate, there are multiple investment portfolios that have been professionally managed and growing steadily for over 20 years. Stock holdings in major corporations, bonds, and mutual funds that provide both immediate value and long-term financial security. The deceased was a shrewd investor who built wealth specifically to pass on to someone worthy. Personal belongings include jewelry, artwork, and collectibles with both monetary and historical value. A classic car collection housed in a private garage. Rare books and documents that collectors would pay premium prices to own. Every item was carefully maintained and properly insured. The most remarkable part is the handwritten letter explaining why you were chosen. The deceased had been spiritually guided to select you as their beneficiary, believing you have a special mission that this wealth will help you fulfill. They specifically wanted their life's work to continue through someone who would use these resources for good. Bank accounts contain liquid assets immediately available once the legal transfer is complete. The total value of everything exceeds what most families accumulate over multiple generations. This isn't just an inheritance. It's a complete financial transformation that will free you from every money worry you've ever had while opening doors to possibilities you never imagined. Protecting your legal rights requires immediate action following specific procedures that cannot be skipped or delayed. First, you must establish your identity through official documentation that proves you are the person named in the will. Birth certificates, government-issued identification, and proof of current address are essential starting points. The probate court requires sworn affidavits confirming your identity and relationship to the inheritance. Any discrepancies or missing documentation could delay the process beyond the legal deadline, resulting in complete forfeiture of all assets. The attorney needs to file preliminary claim documents within 48 hours of making contact with you. Verification procedures include background checks, genealogy research, and interviews with independent witnesses who can confirm your identity. This isn't bureaucratic busy work. It's legal protection ensuring the inheritance goes to the rightful beneficiary and preventing future challenges to your claim. Watch for red flags indicating others might try to interfere with your inheritance. Suspicious phone calls claiming to represent other law firms, unexpected visits from people asking questions about your family history, or anyone suggesting you need to pay fees up front to claim your inheritance. The legitimate attorney will never ask for money from you. Your legal rights as the named beneficiary are protected under state inheritance laws, but only if proper procedures are followed exactly. Working with the court-appointed attorney ensures everything is handled correctly and completely. Missing any step in this process could result in years of legal battles, or complete loss of your inheritance. This inheritance appearing in your life right now isn't coincidence. It's divine timing orchestrated by higher forces who know exactly what you need and when you need it. Your recent financial struggles weren't punishment or bad luck. They were spiritual preparation, teaching you the value of money and ensuring you'll use this wealth responsibly. The deceased person was spiritually connected to your life's purpose in ways that will become clear once you receive their personal letter. They were guided to choose you because your soul carries a special mission that requires financial resources to fulfill completely. This inheritance is the universe's way of providing you with the tools needed for your greatest work. Throughout your life, you felt called to help others but lacked the means to make a significant impact. This wealth removes all financial barriers, allowing you to pursue your true calling without worrying about paying bills or supporting yourself. The universe has been preparing you for this responsibility through every challenge you've faced, Signs that you were meant to receive this inheritance include your natural compassion for others, your desire to make a positive difference, and your ability to remain humble despite difficulties. These qualities convinced the deceased that you would honor their wishes and use their wealth for good. This unexpected abundance will accelerate your spiritual growth by removing survival fears that keep most people focused on basic needs rather than higher purposes. You're being given the rare opportunity to live according to your values and make the impact you've always wanted to make in the world. Several serious obstacles threaten your ability to claim this inheritance if you don't act immediately. Legal complications multiply with each passing day as court deadlines approach. The probate judge has already expressed concern about the delay in locating you, and extending deadlines requires special petitions that may not be granted. Government bureaucracy could freeze these assets if they suspect any irregularities in the claim process. Once frozen, it could take months or years to resolve, during which time legal fees would drain significant portions of your inheritance. Every day of delay increases the risk of bureaucratic complications. Other parties have begun making inquiries about this estate, hoping to file their own claims if you fail to appear. Distant relatives, former business associates, and even charitable organizations are positioning themselves to challenge your inheritance rights. Their lawyers are watching the calendar, waiting for the deadline to pass so they can argue the inheritance should go to them instead. The specific date for final claim submission is approaching rapidly. Court schedules cannot be adjusted for individual cases, and judges have no flexibility to grant extensions once legal deadlines expire. Missing this date means automatic forfeiture of everything, with no appeals process available. The attorney handling your case is under tremendous pressure to resolve this matter quickly. If they cannot locate and process your claim within the required time frame, they face professional sanctions and potential malpractice liability. This isn't just about your inheritance. Their career depends on reaching you now. Within the next 24 hours, you must contact the attorney's office to begin the claim process. Have your full legal name, birth date, current address, and phone number ready when you call. They will ask specific questions to verify your identity and confirm you are the person named in the legal documents. Gather important documents immediately. Birth certificate, social security card, driver's license, or state ID, proof of current residence, and any documentation showing previous addresses where you've lived. The attorney needs to establish a clear paper trail, proving your identity and whereabouts. The verification process includes a brief interview where you'll answer questions about your background, family history, and personal circumstances. This isn't an interrogation, it's legal protection ensuring the inheritance goes to the right person. Be prepared to provide references who can confirm your identity. Keep this information completely confidential until your claim is secured. Discussing details with others could create complications or attract unwanted attention from people who might try to interfere with your inheritance. The attorney will advise you when it's safe to share this news with family and friends. Prepare yourself mentally and spiritually for the life changes coming your way. This wealth will solve your financial problems, but also bring new responsibilities. Start thinking about how you want to use these resources to fulfill your higher purpose and help others. The attorney is waiting by the phone for your immediate response. Every hour of delay decreases your chances of successfully claiming this inheritance before the legal deadline expires. This message was divinely guided to reach you at exactly the right moment. Don't let fear or doubt prevent you from claiming what's rightfully yours. Your years of financial struggle are about to end if you take action right now. The universe is offering you this incredible gift to help you fulfill your highest purpose and make the positive impact you've always wanted to make. Missing this opportunity would mean missing your destiny. This inheritance is real. The legal deadline is approaching fast, and you deserve this blessing that's been waiting for you. Show your appreciation for receiving this life-changing information by engaging with this message and sharing it with others who might also have unclaimed inheritances waiting for them. The attorney needs to hear from you today. Your new life of abundance and purpose is just one phone call away. Don't let this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity slip through your fingers. Claim your inheritance now.